Hello, this is Antti from Pleinly, and this is a Pleinly foldable chair. It has aluminum legs and D600 polyester cloth, and there is a pocket under the seat which you can use to put water bottle or something like that. It also has 4 protective paws and 2 spare parts. These are very useful for outdoor. You get a better grid to the ground. For example, to cliff. This would be otherwise quite slippery, but with these it can be used in any terrain, and it also protects the aluminum pipes. It comes with the carry pack and it's delivered inside of this card box. The height is 15.7 inches, 40 centimeters, and the width is 13 inches, 33 centimeters. Depth is 10 inches, 26 centimeters for this cloth. The maximum weight it can carry is about 300 pounds, which is equal about 140 kilos. The chair is lightweight. It weighs only 1.3 pounds, which is 650 grams. So it's very portable. You can use it in many outdoor activities like hiking, camping. I personally use it for plein air painting and photographing and also hiking. It can also be used in fishing, outdoor events like concerts, or inside, also in factories and places where you need to rest for a while. Okay, so it can be carried inside the big backpack like this, inside the bag, or attaching it outside the bag. The Pleinly has also a backpack which you can put this inside or outside. But if you have a smaller backpack, you can unfold it by taking these pipes out of each other's, then twist it like this and put it here. And there is also a Velcro strap which you can put like this to secure it. And this bag you can put inside of the smaller backpack or inside of this carry bag and then put it in the backpack. Put it back. You just need to take it like this, and in this pocket can go on the top side, which is wrong. You need to then switch the legs through each other before attaching those, so that the cloth is on the top side. Now it's correct. Then place all the pipes carefully inside the pipe holes and check it one more time like this. Okay, one advice: if you use this for cold weathers, it's good to have something like this to isolate yourself. And this is not included, but you can easily find similar from the local shops. Okay, thank you.